Hey, Quinn.
What?
Guess what? Guess what?
Chicken butt what?
Chicken butt what? No, remember how I told you I would get you a whole bunch of fidgets with a fidget haul?
Yeah.
If you did really good for the month?
Yeah.
Guess what?
What did I do?
Today is that day for a fidget haul.
That's a big bag.
I'm going to toss you things, and you're going to tell these people what they are, you're going to play with them a little, and you're going to rank these. First up is this thing.
I don't know what that thing is. It's a puzzle ball.
Puzzle ball.
How do you use it? On yellow, it's stuck.
What do you rank it?
2 out of 10, mainly because I don't know how to use it in the moment.
Alright. Put it to the side. Next fidget.
12 said fidget cube, I think. I like the controller of it. Even the spinny thingies. Buttons. Flashlight. Other button and these things. Huh. I really like these things here. I don't know why I do. I rate this a 8 out of 10.
Okay. Ready?
Pop and control squishies. Squishies. How do you open this stuff? Okay, it's stuck. There you go. Pretty slow rising, actually. I'll give them a 5 out of 10.
Okay. What's this thing?
A tingle? How do you open this?
I should have brought you some scissors for this, huh?
Yeah, I should have. There you go. Tingle.
Scissors.
There we go. Try to get to its original form very quickly. I like the colors of it. Overall, I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
Okay, ready for your next one?
Yeah. Yeah, I remember. Affinity cube. That didn't help a little bit. Okay, you start finding these things more. I remember I tried making one of these and it failed. I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
Sorry, the tripod just broke on me. Trying to get you back lined up.
Yeah.
Technical difficulties, guys. Technical difficulties.
Still don't know how to fix
There we
this. There we go.
You ready for your next thing?
Yeah. Oh, forgot to pronounce it. Rollers and slide puzzle. Open. Open. Sorry if you don't open. It's like a Rubik's Cube, but in circles. And you can move them around. If you want to mess it up, you can, but I don't suggest it. Overall, I'll give this a... Huh, it actually turns like that. I was not expecting that. Nope, nope, nope. Go back. Okay. No, I messed it up. I ruined it. There we go. I fixed it. Okay. Overall, I'll give this a 6 out of 10 because you can move the buttons up and down. I'm the pink one. The other can you can do. Again, 7 out of 10. Mainly because it's hard to move with one hand. Not sure if I raised the other one 7, but pretty sure I did. Mochis. I have a lot of mochis. Okay. How do you do it? Scissors. duck. If you're in my class, you know what the duck is. He's a little duck.
Is it your spirit animal?
It can be sometimes, but then it has to be.
Hey, Quin, I'm gonna help you out here. Got a lot of trash building up. Here's a bag. Throw it in.
Thank you. Trash mess really quickly. You throw that away. Assuming no, can't do the shark. There we go.
You ready for your next? Oh, just do emoji. Sorry.
It's fine. Okay, next I think I'm gonna go do the words.
Those the glow-in-the-dark ones?
Yes. I'm taking patterns. Oh, it's a little turtle.
Glow-in-the-dark turtle mochi.
Hey, it works. And next, I think it's a little penguin. I don't know what these are, but it looks like a penguin.
It's Piplup.
Hey, Pippi.
It's a Pokemon.
Cut it in the trash. Like the fish. Look at this. I have this little guy in a clear sparkling
I think
form.
it's a shark.
That? It looks like a fish. I have
A baby shark.
no, it's a fish, because I already have a shark. And it doesn't look like it. That's a fish.
It's baby shark.
It's not a shark.
No.
No, copyrighted. You know, I have a glittery version of this. And last, but not least, yes, so that. The paw print, original paw print too. And a sheep. A texture. Okay, ready for the next one. Slime. Okay, can't open it like that.
Is slime actually a fidget?
I don't know. Some people think it is, and some don't.
I'm just curious.
Me too. Yeah, looks like I don't know. I opened that weird, but dang it, there's no pull thing. Oh, yes, there is. There. Slime time, it says. Ooh. Why the heck does that have a bubble? Oh, it's the watery slime, I guess. Ew, it's sticky. Very sticky. But sticky in a weird way. That's cool, actually. The stickiness, though, I kind of like it. But most of the time I wouldn't. I would give it a 6 out of 10. Okay, because my hands are sticky now. I have a question. Can I get a napkin? Right there.
You need a
I need to wipe my
paper
hands.
towel.
Paper towel, something.
Didn't think this would be a messy video. We should do another slime video. I haven't done one in a while.
Ooh, pup tubes. Sticky hands. I don't know which one I'm going to open first, but I'm thinking I'm going to do the blue one because my favorite color is blue.
I thought your favorite color was teal.
Same. Blue, green, teal. Same thing. It's long. Still makes the sound. It's a little hard to pop, but just enough to make it fun. So I would give this an 8 out of 10.
How many did you get? What colors are they?
There are, wait, what if there's 5 colors. I can't do that. There's purple, blue, orange, red, and green. Sorry, trying to pop it.
Did somebody say pop it?
I did say pop it, actually. Ooh. If it's maybe to the side, throw you in the trash. Ouch. Okay.
You're gonna cut your poppet?
No.
Yeah, no cutting it.
I want to do that. I don't think. Yeah, this is pretty good for the soft side. Yeah. Very weird it pops out. And the loud side, I think? Ooh. Okay. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. Man, such a sound. The globby. Not globby. Huh. It's a... I think it's globby. No, it is globby. Ew, it's sticky. Huh. There's a ceiling. It works. I didn't throw it hard enough, though.
Yeah, you got a trash bag next to you.
I'll give this a 9 out of 10 because I like the stickiness. Ooh, rocket trash. Opened already. Great.
Why are you putting the trash on top of your toys?
Keep on forgetting there's a bag. Okay, connect them. You can connect.
Well, connect the other one.
I'm trying.
No, the other one. You connect the other one to that and make one really long one.
I want to try to make the plus snapper thingy. Problem is I can't connect it. Did I connect it? Almost. I can't connect it. I like how loud it is, but how quiet it is. It's not loud, but it's not quiet. Come on. Okay, still filled. I don't think it worked, but still clutter. Oh. Because you can put it back together. Okay, that's gonna take me forever to put that back together. But overall, a 7 out of 10. Ooh, the long squishy toy. It says squishy toy. I'm assuming it's a squishy toy because it says squishy toy.
And just so you know, there's still a few that haven't gotten here in time being shipped. So I guess with those ones, we can make a few shorts.
Ew, there's mealworms in it.
What do you think? Make some shorts with the new ones that come in as they come in?
Dropped it. Ew, it's actually slow rising. That's actually pretty gross. Ew, what is in there? The head's pretty squishy. Why is there mealworms? They're crunchy.
Are they chocolate covered? Do you want to eat them?
Rude. Overall, I'll give this a, for $1, I think it deserves an 8 out of 10. Monkey noodles. I like monkey noodles a little too much. I don't know why I'm ooh, they're thick. And a lot.
Did you just pop yourself in the face?
No, right here.
Oh.
It's squishy.
So if you pop yourself in the face, I'm going to have to put that in a slow-mo edit and loop it like so people can just watch it over and over again for a video.
Overall, I'd give these a 7 out of 10. Snappers. So I don't have to make this thing snappers. Great. Eight out of 10. Marble mesh. 5 out of 10. Not a big fan of marble mesh. Ew. Fidget pin. Open. Okay. Box. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it doesn't fit. Oh no, I don't have big enough hands yet. Yeah, I don't have big enough hands yet. But there is these pushy thingies. They can push.
Yeah, they collapse.
They do?
Yeah. So you can, need help doing that?
Oh, yeah, they collapse.
Yeah, and they'll lock in place. You can do that with both sides, and then you can
So it can make smaller!
Yeah.
Yes!
Now it's just fit.
So I can use this.
Fidget spinner pin.
Yes.
Pretty cool.
Okay, it's into a collapse. Actually, I'll give this a... Does it work? It works.
And it's got a stylus on it too.
Yeah. 8 out of 10. Mainly because it's useful and fun.
Trash. Move the trash. You're running out of room over there.
See that? Ooh, mini puppet. Ooh, it's the tiny blue one too. With white. Okay, I'm assuming this side is the quiet side. Yep. Please. I think so. And here's the loud side, I think. Oh yeah. I like how hard it is. Well, not hard, but still soft, but not too soft. So overall, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I've been waiting a month for these. Hey, another monkey. Oh, it's a unicorn. I don't have a pink unicorn yet. I have a blue one. I don't have a cloud either. It's a squishy and a unicorn. I like this one. I don't know why. I just do. Maybe they could just, I don't know, try balancing on your pen for some reason. Mochis, I forgot to rate them. I would give them a 8 out of 10 because they're good and quiet and silent. Peas in a pod, or pea popper, either way. I don't know why, because peas in a pod sound easier to say. Oh, there's the face. Ugh. There's the face of the doogie. Then, boom. It's kind of hard to squish, but I've never broken a pea popper. So I'll give them a 7 out of 10. Simple dimple. Open. Struggles. I'm gonna add the chain very quickly. Ow, that hurt. They're supposed to go in there. There you go. I DD. Oh no. There you go. Yeah, pretty good. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Another trash. Never marble mesh. I think it gets a 6 or 5. Marble mesh, I don't know. I just like them. This one, always like Mickey Noodles. 7 out of 10. Fidget pad. And another Fidget pad, I think. Yes. Okay. I shouldn't be struggling this much to open it. This one is... Okay. This one is red. The button and the slider. And the rollers. This one makes noise. That one doesn't. And the buttons. The other roller. That and the button. Soft and switch. Overall, for the coloring, I'm a decent fan of red, so I would say a 8 out of 10. The original. I don't know why, I just like the black color a little bit more than red. Same thing, but I like the colors a little more, so I think they both get an 8, but this one gets an 8.5. So that was really weird to say. Tengen. Yes, it's in the form. I don't want to ruin it, but you know, I would give it a 8 out of 10. There's a pile of fidgets. Rubik's Cube. No, not Rubik's Cube. Fidget.
Alright, sorry guys, camera died. We're having issues with some of the batteries. Back to the Fidget Cube.
Yeah, here's the little thumb imprint, the little circle thingy, the little, I don't know, walker thingy. I don't know what it's called. But the button moves up and down. That button, joystick. This part spins. Flashlight thingy. And the buttons. Overall, I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because it's purple and very easy to play. Ooh, it's a niche bud. Zip tie, be gone. Okay. Ew, that feels actually really nice. I'll give it a 8.5. Mini puppets. We're still opening. There you go. Assuming the size of the quiet side, because 90% of the time it's the quiet side, but I'm going to get that in first. Okay. Sorry, trying to get it in. There we go. Assuming quiet side. And I'm assuming long side. Yeah, long side. Overall, I would give it a 9 out of 10. Nothing got a 10 out of 10 yet. Snappers. That actually snaps pretty well. 9. Simple. They put it in the channel. There we go. Okay, first thing. Ooh, it's actually pretty hard to do. But it's fine. I just kind of like the hardness. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Ooh, rainbow pockets. Assuming quiet side. Should repeat that for quiet side. Pop the rest real quick. Okay. Now I'm assuming long side. That's actually pretty good for quiet side and long side. I'll give this a 9 out of 10.
And last one, Quinn.
It's a duck puppet. It's actually really bigger than I was expecting. But I wasn't expecting a duck puppet. It's huge. Compared to my hand, it's big. Pretty big. First pop, same quiet side. It's actually pretty good for quiet side. Pop them very quickly. I like the little beak in the eye. I don't know why I do, but I do. And I'm assuming left side. It's actually pretty good. I'll give this a 9 out of 10.
You know what the original fidget toy was?
What?
Bubble wrap.
That's amazing. And bubble wrap's still amazing.
So, Quinn, what do you think of your fidget haul?
It's really big. That's it. It's really
You happy?
big. Yes.
Next month, you're going to get a Pokemon haul. What do you think about that?
That's pretty cool, actually. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.